Alright, start off by getting these wires out the way. They're holding by them pop-in style zip ties. Then you got 3 10mm here on the top, and there's supposed to be 2 on each side. Just sticking them back in the holes. Expert fan removal requires a pair of channel locks and a hammer. Whack, 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 okay.
Spin the fan.
Right here I'm just drawing a belt diagram. It's super helpful with people with terrible short-term memory. I'm pulling the lower radiator shroud. It's got 2 10mm bolts in the bottom of it. You can leave it in there. You got to go under the truck to get those out, and the skid plate's in the way if you have a four-wheel drive. As for the crank bolt, mine's a 15mm, but it's aftermarket. There's 3 14mm bolts for the crank pulley to come off. And that goes how it goes. I'm about to show you something, but don't tell nobody, because everybody is going to hate it. We get you a better vice grips. Clamp them right there on the side of your crank pulley, so that they'll hit the bottom of the power steering pump pulley whenever you turn the bolts. You want to get these loose enough that you can untwist them with your fingers. Alright, now you can pull the belt off. You just push the tensioner and then it slips right off there. This is the harmonic balancer pulley. People tend to strip these out real bad, so you might have got a broke one, but basically find the bolt that matches up with your crank pulley bolts, and it's 3 holes. That thing goes down the middle with that cap. You gotta thread that in, then put that on the back of the cap. I'm about to show you how it works, but yeah. Get out of here. Those 3 holes right there in the front of the harmonic balancer is what I was talking about. And here it is, live action. You close, you close, you close. Took a while to finish. I'm going to be replacing that seal right there in the timing cover. There's a part number for front oil seal. Activate seal puller action. Bloop. And I'll give the hole in the new seal a good oil fingering. Fits in there super loose, she might have been lying to you. Reinstall the harmonic balancer. This thing is keyed, so you ain't gonna put it in wrong. Just slide it over the key and then punch it a couple times.